Hi there, Henry Smith from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thank you for joining me today and for my video update. So every day, timer. Every day I update my portfolio, cryptocurrency portfolio on a daily basis. We're doing this in February 2021, and just updating the figures, whether the portfolio has grown or contracted or not. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. We always talk about something after the video. We have a very exciting time of year, by the way, but more of that later. Before I continue, it's important that I do disclaimer. I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor, or anything I talk about in here is not meant to be a financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research before you make any financial decisions. And also understand that regarding investments, all investments do carry a degree of risk. So do not invest more money in an investment than you can afford to lose. That's sound advice. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and update figures for today. So this is the spreadsheet I've been using, as you know, those who've been following the video. 3 columns, altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. And then the red, green and red. Green is when it's moved forward on the previous day. Red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So the last few days have been kind of forward for the portfolio in general. Though Bitcoin went backwards. So I'm going to put today's date in here, and this is where I get the figures from. These figures, this particular portfolio consists of 1 whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially researched alternative coins apart from Bitcoin, and that's the total. So that's the it's in US dollars. Same portfolio here is in British pounds or pound sterling, and this is the percentage split. So this usually comes in through a live feed into an asset group, and that's where I get these figures from. So what we have here is 198,043 cents. So let's put that in there. 198,000.43, and that is a little bit down. So that was going to go into red. 1,605 down, and Bitcoin today is 61,000. Not Bitcoin. I want the total figure. 259,541. 259,541. 259,541 and 43. So I think it's 43. Yeah, so that is, let's total this up. This is minus 4,000. Bitcoin is also minus, so it's a minus day today. This is not right, by the way. It doesn't look cool. Right, 256. 259 up 256. Right. 259. 259,541. That's more like it. 259,541. Okay. Still red, although Bitcoin is a little green today. So yeah, so Bitcoin is up a little bit, $79, and the portfolio in general is down $1,525. So that's the way the cookie crumbles today. And so what I wanted to talk about is really the progression of Bitcoin as it goes today, as this month can be a very interesting month, as I mentioned. In fact, let me share my screen. Share the screen again. This month can be a very interesting month for Bitcoin, and then hopefully the altcoins as well. Still seems to be following this upward trend, going in using this line as a support and resistance, but still got, seems to be going upwards. We should watch this. Watch around the 4th or 5th of November to see, if there's any sharp increase. But look out for that. The Gaussian channel is way above the Gaussian channel. Has been out for a number of weeks now. I would say over a month. So it's doing pretty well. It's holding this red line of support, which I put there for it. It needs to do that in order to stay well clear of the Gaussian channel. So once it gets past the green line, then it's really off to the races. But we shall watch this. This particular candle has 8 hours and 36 minutes before it's completely printed. We're still, having the effect from the golden cross, but some of the market seems to be going a little sideways at the moment. But we're still way above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average lines. So that's the green and red, respectively. This trend shows this gap is still closing. So this gap is getting ever closer. If it does close, it would be signaling at the beginning of a downtrend, or it could be a temporary downtrend, but still a downtrend. But they have not met yet. So if these green and red meet, we could be looking at the beginning of a downtrend. But what may happen is that they may meet temporarily and then just totally split apart, and the mouth will start to open again. And then this line, we're looking for this line to spike upwards the next, shall we say, 10 days or so. So we should watch that, but it's still on a slight downtrend. We looked at that. Interesting, like I said, this particular cycle is mimicking many aspects of the 2013 cycle, and what we had in October. We had the April peak, and then we came back and recovered in October. This is what we have here. And we had a similar thing there. We had the April peak, and then it went down and it recovered in October. Okay. And then, but the interesting thing is what happened in November. Well, these 3 weeks happened in November. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So does that mean this is going to happen this time? It's possible. It's not 100% nothing's 100%, but it's very, very possible. If that is the case, look out for this month can be an explosive month. But we shall keep you informed. So here we are in the 1st of November, and we shall watch diligently between now and the middle of the month whether we get this kind of explosion. But if it is, I hope you're positioned to take advantage of it. Again, not financial advice, but this could be a very interesting month for those who know how to take advantage of this. But like I said, we want to watch this on a daily basis and report to you on a daily basis, almost on a daily basis anyway, to keep you informed. But make sure you take advantage of this. This could be the finale of the bull run. Or some people said it could be an upward spike and then it can go down again and then can continue into 2022. But we shall see how much this bull run is going to replicate the 2013 bull run. It's kind of a slight combination of the 2013 and 2017 bull run, but it is looking very much like doing a lot of things that the 2013 bull run did, especially this peak, and then this this recovery, and then what may be coming next. So we shall see. It's not going to be identical, but it could be similar unless something happened. But the thing is, human nature, these graphs actually show behavior of human nature. And human nature is kind of the same. Doesn't really change that much. Human nature is human nature. And that's the reason why these can be resembling past performances, because people tend to have the same kind of human habits. But anyway, don't forget to visit this website, IamWealthyandRich.com, and download your mindset training and investment strategy now. So download this and put your name and email address, and they will send it to you straight away, and start using it and apply it. There's never been a better time to get your mind in gear to take advantage of the wonderful things that are happening now in crypto. So that's I'm working. The link's below the video, and you should also see it at the end of this video as well. Okay, so with that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video, and like I said, this is a very important month to observe and take action. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe for that. And thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video, in the next one tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.